Assalamu alaikum students. My name is lecturer Said Waqas Shah, and now we are going to start the exercise 4.1, which is about higher order derivative. The first question is find the indicated higher order derivative. So in every part the function we have to find the derivative according to the instruction given, which is, for example, in this question we have to find the third derivative, right? So it's not that difficult. Okay, so the first question is f of x is equal to 3x cube plus 4x plus 5. So taking first derivative, if we start taking the derivative of every term, so the first term will give us this exponent will be multiplied with this coefficient, so it will be 9, and this exponent will be decreased by 1. ठीक है, 4x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा हमारे पास 4, and derivative of this constant 5 is 0. Okay, so that will be vanished. So this is the first derivative. Okay, now second derivative. Again, this exponent will be multiplied with this coefficient, it will be 18x, and derivative, and this 2 will be, power will be decreased by 1, so it will be just 1, and derivative of 4 is 0. Okay, this is second derivative. Now to find third derivative, we will have to take the derivative of this 18x, which will give us just 18, because derivative of x is 1, so it will be 18 times 1 is 18. So this is the third derivative, right? The second question is, in fact, the third one, because second is just like this, so we will just choose third and fourth. So the third is 5t plus 7. S of t, this is part C, S of t is equal to 5t plus 7 under the square root, and we have to find second derivative of S of t. Okay, so the first derivative, it's better to write this in exponent form, which is equal to 5t plus 7 power 1 by 2, right? इस तरह काफ़ी ईजी हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जब आप यहाँ पे पावर इस रेडिकल को आप एक्सपोनेंट में लिखते हैं तो एक्सपोनेंट को फिर नीचे लाना और मल्टीप्लाई करना काफ़ी ईजी हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव हमें क्या मिलेगा, ये 1/2 नीचे आ जाएगा, 5t plus 7 और 1/2 minus 1, और इसका दोबारा डेरिवेटिव लें, d by dx of 5t plus 7, राइट, इट विल बी 1/2. यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा 5t plus 7 पावर minus 1/2, इधर से क्या आ जाएगा जस्ट 5. ठीक है, तो ये हो जाएगा 5/2 5t plus 7 power minus 1/2. That is the first derivative. Now the second derivative will be, again using the same thing, this 1/2 will be combined over here, so it will be 5/2 into minus 1/2 and 5t plus 7. This exponent will be decreased by minus 1, so minus 1/2 minus 1, and again we have to take derivative of this one, so which will give us just 5, right? Now combine this 5 with this one and bring that minus outside, right? So it will be minus 5 square divided by 2 square and 5t plus 7. If you add them, so you will get minus 3/2, right? Bring that down to denominator, it will be minus 25 divided by 4 and 5t plus 7. Sorry, we have to write this in denominator. Five t plus 7, this will be plus 3/2. Okay, and you can also write like this, minus 25/4 1 over 5t plus 7 and 5t plus 7 square root, because it has power 1 and it has power 1 by 2, so if you combine them, that is equal to 3 by 2. So you can also write like this, or if you want, you can also write like this. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Okay, thank you. In the last part, the function is y is equal to x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, and we have to find the second derivative. So we will start from taking first derivative. So first derivative will be, and the formula we are going to use over here is, if you have a function y is equal to f of x by g of x, then its derivative will be square of the function of denominator. So taking square and leave this g of x as it is, multiply by derivative of the function in numerator minus, right? So take the square of the function in denominator and write that in this form, square of the denominator function, and then write the function in denominator multiply by the derivative of the function in numerator, and minus leave this function in numerator as it is and multiply by the derivative of the function of denominator, right? So this is quite famous formula, and it's called derivative of quotient function. Quotient function derivative of quotient function, right? So we will use the same formula, taking square of the function in denominator and writing x minus 1 the function in denominator as it is, and taking the derivative of this, which is f of d by dx of x plus 1 minus, now write the function in numerator 1 as it is and taking derivative of the function in denominator, which is x minus 1, and the sign will be negative between them. Okay, so it will be x minus 1 and derivative of this is just 1 minus x plus 1, and derivative of this function is just 1 because derivative of x is 1 and minus 1 is 0, right? And it will be x minus 1 square. Okay, so simplify this, x minus 1, and this minus will be applied on both the terms in the of the bracket, right? So it will be minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 whole square. So this gone is equal to minus 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square. That is the first derivative. Now to find the second derivative, we will have to write the function. We will bring that function from denominator to numerator. Okay, so the first derivative is minus 2, and shift this to numerator into x minus 1 power minus 2. Okay, so second derivative will be minus 2, and this exponent will come to combine with coefficient in multiplication. So minus 2 x minus 1 power minus 2, and decrease this exponent by 1 by using the rule of derivative. Okay, so it will be minus 4 x minus 1 power minus 3, and you can also write that negative power in positive by bringing that function into denominator. That will be x minus 1 power 3. Okay, so that is the second derivative of the function.